In this tutorial, I will show you Artboard tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have already created an artboard. So you can access Artboard tool from here. This is Artboard tool. Just click and access it. So what is Artboard? Artboard, its shortcut is Shift plus O. Create and adjust artboards on the canvas. So I am accessing it. You can see this is 01 Artboard 1. This is showing its name. If you double click here, I am double clicking here, you can find the artboard options. Here is width, height and X and Y coordinates. Here is preset. You can set it any preset. Suppose A4. If you agree it, then it will be make this artboard size to A4. Orientation is our portrait. You can make it landscape. Proportion, constant proportion. Also display. You can show center marks. I'm accessing it. All are checking for demonstration purpose. So this is fade region outside and okay, I'm okaying it. After that, you can see here is all the center mark, crosshair and shape marks, and this is artboard. So you can also access artboard options from these quick actions. Here is artboard tool, artboard 1, preset A4. It is now A4 presets, and this is landscape. Move artboard with artboard. You can see this is, you can move it and scale artwork with artboard. If any artwork you have here, so it will also be scaled with artboard. So I am accessing these options again, and I am turned off these options. So I am accessing it, and now you can see this is the artboard. You can also accessing these artboard options from here. So you know there are several options. Also here is artboard options, and this is scale artwork with artboard and move and copy artwork with artboard. You can, which we can also access from here. And here is artboard, and you can see here is the presets. All the presets from, you can access it from here. Also, if you click here, you can create another artboard. So in this way, you can see I am clicking 2 times. So now the artboard is 3. So you can make it from, you can replicate it from here. Also, you can easily change any artboard size from here. Also you can change from here. So you can see, you can make it any size. Also you can create any sizes artboard from here. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. Keep editing.